Yo, 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 what's up, guys? What's up, what's up, what's up? Fuck, what's up? Today we took this fucking banger, bruh. What the fuck? What the fuck? So, today is the 27th of January 2026. We are currently trading on a 50k account, as you know, and as previous uh, series for January. And yeah, so today I took two trade, and I have to be honest. In the past, I don't remember where. The other day, I think more or less here in this zone right there. I don't know why it's not showing execution. Let me see. Yeah, execution is there. Let me see if I have something. Yeah, the other London session, so was yesterday, Monday London session. I took this fucking ass trade, bro. Fucking ass. Completely wrong trade. Lost more or less around 168. Yeah, the idea was we were putting an SMT right there with the S, and my idea was to reject to this 15-minute gap and then go higher. Price was there, time wasn't. The main issue that I found was we never tap high time frame PD arrays. In this case, like this, so we tap once, and then we fail to tap twice or sweep this internal high inside of the high time frame PD array. uh, it could be valid, but I don't know why I took this fucking trade. Ass trade. Let me show you the trade and the idea behind it. You see, this was the scenario before I took the trade. Was completely ass trade because yeah, we invert this. It was a 3 minute. We inverted this 3 minute, but without any PD arrays above and being tapped. So I said like, what the fuck? Why I took this trade, right? Why I took this trade? So yeah, this was a completely shit trade. And let me remove all this, and then we can talk about today, bro. Today I swear to God, is the most amount of money that I made on a single day trading Nasdaq. So, first trade of the day, London session. We were, let me go to the trade. We were really close to this weekly high. This was a high time frame liquidity point. Was a weekly high, if I'm not wrong. So we ended up making this up move right there, and then so failed to go to this weekly high. Make We did put in a 5 minute gap here. Let me Okay. We ended up making this 5 minute gap, and this was my condition. So what conditions are, like PB trading explained, if we respect the condition, draw liquidity is lower. If we don't respect the condition, draw liquidity is higher, right? Simple as that. So as soon as I saw this manipulation inside a gap, this rejection candle here, and this valid break-even point, the inversion of this 5 minute, I said like, okay, this need to be take. See, this was the inversion. So I scaled down to the 3 minute, and I saw what? I saw that we were inversing this one too, this one too. So I said like, okay, I'm good to go. Whenever we tap back inside this 5 minute here, which was the like drawn for the entry, my 5 minute gap, we push inside of it. So I scaled out to the 3 minute, which was the highest time frame for the inversion. We took this trade more or less. The exact entry was what it was. It was here. This was my exact entry. This one, stop loss above. What it was? Yeah, on the 5 minute doji candle. Let me see if it was here. Yeah, no, it wasn't a doji candle. It was on top of this bullish order block, right? And yeah, trade was perfect. Was hella perfect because as you can see, we hit full TP. But the only problem was as soon as we hit the break-even point here, this was the internal structure that let me put at break-even. What I did was from having my stop loss. Let me make this the stop loss. As soon as the price hit this break-even point, what I did was put my stop loss at break-even. And yeah, I got stopped out. Like I got break-even here on this wick because it was more or less I think here. And yeah, it wouldn't be um, break even the same. The only thing was this was my first take profit. So price flood down. I could have closed partial here, but yeah, this was unfortunate. And today, this morning London session, we ended up losing. Why this trade is here? Okay, I don't know, but I don't care. We ended up losing 40 cents, bro. Like fucking break even. And yeah, pretty happy with the execution, cause my opinion was hella good, right? Um, Probably I'm pretty sure we have an OTE. Yeah, we were even OTE, so perfect trade. Really happy with the execution of this one. And now let me remove all the scrap, cause I was keeping it on the chart just for the trade recap, but yeah. And now we can talk about this New York AM open trade, dog. What the fuck? Bro, I'm fucking hyped right now. I'm hyped as hell. Why? This is the most amount of money that I made on a single account on my trading journey. Right? I'm trading Bara here more or less, so pretty happy. Let's go and see my precession analysis. My precession analysis was we were having a lot of equal highs right there. Same with London high failing for the second time to sweep the 1 week high. Yo, let me bro, let me take a snooze. I want to be happy, bro. Some people say like trading with no emotion. Yeah, during the trade, bro, but after the trade, fuck it, bro. We make bread today and a lot of bread. Like, let's do some math. Not math the drugs, but we made around 760, right? More or less. Let's say we had 5 account. Bro, that was 4K day, bro. What the fuck we talking about? What the fuck we talking about? So my idea was sweeping out London session low, tap inside the 4 hour and 1 hour gap, plus the 1 hour gap that was below us at the time, and then have a fucking U rejection off of it, and V-shaped recovery, and go for the weekly high. And this is what happened, right? So we had this 1 hour, 4 hour Asia. Oh yeah, I need to take a snooze, bro. I said it, but I didn't do it. So um, yeah, so we took out London lows here, and we tapped back inside the 1 hour and 4 hour gap. So those were equal lows, plus we were on Asia, London low, so it was like free fucking game. And if you go higher, we have even this 1 hour gap, which was in discount, bro. So I said like, okay, we tap inside of this. Even in 15 minute, we print this hella wick. Even if okay, 5 minute no, but 15 minute we printed this hella wick right there. So I said like, this could be a Judah swing. So what is Judah swing? Price, create liquidity. Then we stop for a bit, we do some shit like that. and boom, 9:30 open. We took all the liquidity, and then we go higher. Okay, having this here, and of course an inverse here. Okay, so it's a like high. Let me put this higher. Yep. Okay, more or less is this right there. So say like long is free today. Long is free. The only things that could make this like a fucking plus was an SMT, but at the time ES did the same things. You see? Oh shit. Yeah, ES did the same things. Okay, so manipulate down, then went back up. This was the SMT from uh, previous trade idea I was having. So pretty happy on the analysis on this day. So we made first of all we made this 3 minute here, and this was the first idea. So taking this trade, um, taking this trade right there. Okay, 203 RR, but this was 253 RR, so even higher RR. And why I took this 5 minute instead of this 3 minute, just because the rule is you take the highest time frame inversion on the leg. Okay, so yeah, pretty happy with execution today. Was like 5 minute trade, 6 minute trade. Let me see, 6 minute trade, 6 minute trade, and we made um, 760 bucks. So fucking happy, really happy, even because I risked kind of a lot, bro. Was not mini, was micro, so uh, not that much risk, but my prop firm allows me to trade up to 9. So I said like fuck it, I want to risk it all, and it pays. It paid, right? So yeah, really happy guys, because I was inside kind of a losing streak. If you go by month, January, I was inside a kind of losing streak. One Tuesday, Thursday, another one on Monday yesterday, the long session trade. So I was kind of on a bad mood, but this trade, guys, this trade made my day. This trade made my day. I traded my stop loss to break even just a little before this break even point, just because the push was massive, was insane. So I said like, I don't want to be like fucking jerk off like we do like this, and okay. So I said like, let me push my stop loss to break even, and yeah, it pays, guys. Guys, don't rush the process. Okay, don't fucking rush the process, because patience, because consistency, because hard work always pays off. Always. And I'm not talking about like from the inside of my heart, because I wasn't some sort of patient guy, right? I was in the mindset when I was before trading, I was like, yo, I need to make back quick, right? I need to make racks quick. I want to get rich quick. And then trading teach you how to wait, how to find a quality setup, right? How to trust yourself, your emotion, your analysis, use fundamental plus technicals, and this is the beauty of trading. You can lose more or less 350 bucks in 2 days and make all back with interest the next day. And remember, market will be there even tomorrow. Okay? This quote was from a guy inside my Discord. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Today was a beautiful day, and I hope, and I really hope to make some like great content for you and learn and try to understand how I trade, how PB trading, and yeah, really like curious to see what PB guys did. on a day like this, and remember, never stop learning.